I'm Clifton.
I'm Darren. And we're going to be teaching you about a salamander. And I'm at my cousin's house right now. As you can see, this is the newt that we caught. He likes to wiggle around. And we found him down by
The field where all that wood is.
Yeah.
So now we're going to talk about what salamanders eat. And they eat slugs, earthworms, and they can eat snails.
Okay, so now we're going to be teaching you about the habitat. So if you have a bigger container, because we have a small container, you can put like a damp piece of wood in there, because for like a little hiding spot, and then you can, and then you want to put like lots of dirt and mud, and you can add some decorations too if you want, like weeds. Some salamanders have tongues 10 times as long as their body.
Salamanders lay up to 450 eggs. His eyes are so big.
Do you want to show me his belly?
Yeah. Oh gosh, he's squiggling. So, did you know that salamanders are just like newts, kind of, because they can squirt out toxins just like newts can? And a difference between them is that newts like to be in the water more and salamanders like to be on land more. Now we're going to release the salamander. Release him where you found him. Otherwise, if you put him in a different spot, he might not really like it if it's not damp enough. He could not survive. So try to put him and put the wood pieces down first, and then let him fall under, because you don't want to smash him. Nature Ninjas! Hiya!
Clifton!
Clifton's gonna be on YouTube!
Okay, do you...
I've seen what they ate. I guess cats eat salamanders.
We're gonna be teaching you about newts. Salamanders.
There's like a tiny pole.
On your mark, get set, go!